Get strong.
And this is it, smartwatch. And every watch, especially the one with the metal band, come with links. These are what we call links. I removed some of them already, you can see, and they are what actually join the watch band together. And we use a pin right here to secure the link. So I'm just gonna actually remove one single link from this watch because it's a bit loose on my hand. So whenever you're doing that, you need to look at the side of the watch. You're gonna see like some holes. See that where we push the pin through? Can you see that? I'm gonna show you. They're not hard to find. It's right here. Look at this side. The one right there. Those holes. So these holes are what you actually push a pin through to actually secure the link. But before you actually can remove a watch links or links from a watch, you need, sometimes you can use a tool if you're a professional, but a thumbtack should be appropriate if you actually use it with care, of course. But today I'm going to use this tool. Every time you actually buy a watch band, most times they normally include this in the package. So I'm just going to go about and remove this link. You just want to set it like that. See it there, that's good. And set it on top, and you're going to actually turn clockwise and allow the pin to touch that hole that I showed you earlier, and you screw. What I'm doing, I'm gonna replace this with this. In other words, I'm gonna replace the link, and it's very easy. All I need to do, where you see the slot, I actually merge them. See that? And when I do that, as I said earlier, you have a hole at the side. The hole at the side, this is the pin. All I need to do is push the pin through that hole to secure it. That's all I need to do. You can use the finger and press against it, or you can use the back. This, and just press against it. Now I have attached everything. The only thing that leaves to attach is this end to this, and this is the pin that I have in my hand. So all you need to do is insert it or push it through, like that. Hold this end, put it in the hole right there. My eyes are not that good. there. Attach. So what I did, I removed 2 links from the smartwatch and reattach the remaining links, and this is what you have. Smartwatch, and the tool that I use this. But if you don't have one of these, you can easily use a thumbtack, but you have to use it with care. As usual, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. 12 years gone. Have a good evening.